Okay, let's start today about the R-Markdown to create a document in R Studio. And this is the very first starting point for R-Markdown. Who wants to start R-Markdown writing for a document? Okay, let's start. So here is my R Studio. Now, slide this one here. Okay, so first open the file, new file, and then R-Markdown is here. So it will the R-Markdown here. And you can give the title for your R-Markdown file. Let's say my first R-Markdown. My first R-Markdown document. Let's say like that one, okay? Let's say. And you can choose HTML, PDF, or the Word. The default is the HTML. So I put the HTML here. Okay. Now, whichever you provide the information, it is also here. It is, and it required. These are required for R-Markdown. And here it is the template is given. Let me make it this. Scroll down here. Okay. Now this is a template given here. It has the R code with a card data, and it also have the example of the plot to include the plot in the document. And this is the text here. Now you can run this template here. Just go to the neat here. Go to the neat, and in the neat you have the options of HTML. By default is HTML, and the PDF and Word. So let's do the neat here, HTML here. Now provide the file name you want to save. Let's say that my first R Markdown. My first R Markdown. Let's say file. Okay. And the extension is RMD here. RMD here. Let's say I'll save it here and save. Now it's save here. Let me run this one here now. I think it's already run here. You see this one here, it's already run here. Now it is here. Now if I do for a Word file, and it will create a Word file here. Right, create a Word file here. Right, this Word file. Now let's say you want to create your own R-Markdown file from this template. Now, now I will remove all of them for now. Right, now if I run this one here, let's say the Word. Now there is a blank here, nothing else here, right? Nothing else here. So I close this one. Close this one. Now let's start writing here. Now one hashtag and space will give the header one. So it will be the header one. Let's say R down example. Okay, that is a header one. If you put a hashtag and one space here, then you can put whichever you want. Just like say July 21, 2026, right? And if you put that free hashtag, it is a header free here, right? Like that one. Let's say I will not put this on here. Now you can write the text here. Let's say my name is. Now if you put that within the two asterisk sign, it will be bold here. My name is, let's say, name one. My address, let's say, if you put the only one two asterisk inside, and then it will get the italic here. address one, like that. Okay. That. Now to go to the next line, you have to put the two space here, at least two space, one space, two space, and enter here. Then it will go to the next line here. Now below, I will provide example of algebra in R. Okay, like that. Now, if let's run this one here. Let's run this one here. Now let's see. Now this one is just run this one here, right? Now close. Now, if you want to write R code, let's say you have to click here. Then there is a R here, R, right? R. Now in this between this one is starting point of R and this is the end point of R. So between this you have to write R code. Let's say basic algebra. Okay. Let's say 10 plus 2. Now it will do the summation, right? Sum 10 minus 2. Right? Let me put the space. It doesn't require, but you can subtract. Right? Now 10 and then carry 3 exponent, right? Now you can run this chunk from this chunk to this chunk here, and you can execute using pressing this one here, this arrow key here. Now just put cursor here and press this one. Now it will run here. The output is here, right? 10 plus 2 is 12 and 8, 9, like that one here. Now let's need this one here. Let's say need this one here. If I want to create a PDF, I can create a PDF and it will create a PDF file here. Now I have this one here, example here, right? Example. Now let's say now we would like to work with the data. For example, say iris data. Iris data example with summary statistics. Okay, now let's say summary statistics. Summary statistics. Let's say if you want to go to the next line, you have to put a two space and enter here, and it will be below is R code summary statistics. Now, one thing is iris data is available in R. So I will put just like that. Iris data is available in R, and you have to put the two space here. Okay. Now just run this one here. Now it will be like this one. And now let's close this one here. Now you have to, let's like we would like to add a R code here. Go to here and this one here, or you can just do the shortcut key Control Alt I, or the Control Option I in Mac. Now it is a shortcut key here. Now in between you will write R code here, right? Just like now, data iris, and then let's say head iris. Now just run that one here. Now it's iris data is here. Now let's say the summary strategy. Summary iris, right? Summary, it has now summary statistics, and this one has a summary statistics here. Now let's say we would like to do the plot of those sample length, sample width, those kind of thing plot. Let's say we will do the pure plot, and you can click this one arrow for collapsing here. Let's say I will write here. Let me write a two hashtag, so it will be the header too. peer panel plot from psychic data, PS psych package, from package. Okay, using that data, right? Now, now go here, or you can do the shortcut key, or if not, go here, and then in here now, uh, library, library, library. This one, PSYCS. Now, if you don't have the library, this one, then you have to install that one here. So install that packages, and this one you have to install this packages if you haven't already installed. Okay, and after that one, then you can do panel dot panel sorry peers dot panel, peers dot panels, and then iris. Let's see this one here. Now let's run this one here. Now this, you see this one here, and these are the correlation coefficients given, and this is the histogram for that one, and this is scatter plot with some model fitted here. Now it runs here. Now we would like to create a file here. Let's say go to PDF. Let's say PDF here. Now it's running here. Now it's a PDF file here. It's run here. Right. Now let's say if you go to that Word document, then it will create a document here. Now the document file is read here, right? Okay, so that's what and this is the starting point for whoever want to start creating a document with R-Markdown. And you can find those in your working directory. Whichever the file created, it will be in your working directory. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm stopping here.